Hello everyone, welcome to Siggy Cooks. Bisibelebath, a popular Karnataka dish or Sambar Sadam as it is called in Tamil, with homemade Bisibelebath powder. A wholesome one-pot dish with rice, dal and vegetables packed full of flavours. Take 3 by 4 cup rice and half cup tur dal. Wash well and soak in water for 30 minutes. Take a small piece of tamarind. Soak in hot water for 10 minutes. In a cooking pan, add 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Add 1 tablespoon chana dal. 1 tablespoon urad dal. 2 teaspoon coriander seeds. Half teaspoon cumin seeds. Quarter teaspoon fenugreek seeds. 1 teaspoon whole peppercorns. Half teaspoon sesame seeds. Small piece of cinnamon stick. 2 cloves. Half teaspoon poppy seeds. And few curry leaves. Saute well in low to medium flame. Add required number of red chilies. Continue to saute well until color changes and spices are roasted well. Take the roasted spices out in a mixer jar. Add quarter teaspoon asafoetida, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, and quarter teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder. Grind to a coarse powder. And your homemade Bisibelebath powder is ready. Stays good for 1 month in refrigerator. This prepared quantity will be sufficient for using 2 to 3 times. Therefore, take only the required amount of prepared powder in the mixer jar. Add few coconut slices. Add required water. And grind to a smooth paste. Take your choice of vegetables. I have taken carrot, CHOW, beans, onion and tomato. Add 1 teaspoon ghee in a cooking pan. Add few cashew nuts. And saute well until roasted well. Take it out and keep it aside. In the same cooking pan, add more oil as required, preferably sesame oil. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon urad dal, and half teaspoon cumin seeds. Give a quick stir and allow to splutter. Add 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Saute until onions turn translucent. Add few garlic slices. Give a quick stir until garlic is slightly roasted. Now add all the remaining vegetables. Add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder and quarter teaspoon asafoetida. Add few curry leaves. Mix well. Add required salt and mix again. Add 2 cups of hot boiling water. Also add the prepared masala paste. Mix well and boil well for 2 minutes. Now add the tamarind extract. Mix well and allow to boil again. Now add 3 more cups of hot boiling water. Totally I've added 6 cups of water. Mix well and let it boil well. Now add the soaked rice and dal. Check and add additional salt as required. Mix well and let it boil well for few minutes. Then cook partially covered in medium flame. Check and mix regularly so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. If you wish, you can also cook this in a pressure cooker, but I prefer cooking in open pot. as the rice will stay soft and fresh for the whole day without getting hard. Continue cooking until rice is well cooked. Finally, garnish with coriander leaves, little ghee, and roasted cashews. The rice will get thick as it cools down. Enjoy with a simple potato fry or crunchy fryams. Thanks for watching my video so far. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to stay updated with all my future video uploads. See you very soon in another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.